Oh my goodness. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing, guys. It is doing its thing. Let me know if y'all want to know what I used.
You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice.
So guys, since the weather won't permit me to, really style my hair, then, like I said, just been taking care of it. So today we're going to try this, guys. We're going to try a door. This is a door 118 off black, okay? Semi-permanent hair color. So yeah, that's what it is. It's a semi-color, semi-permanent hair color. Y'all we usually do Beijing, but they didn't have Beijing at the store. I am familiar with this. Let's see, now I'm gonna tell you another thing, guys. The reason why I like doing Beijing is because, for me, because of how I apply Beijing, Beijing comes off sooner than later. You know what I'm saying? So I told you if I was to make a transition to a lighter color or a red or something like that, I wouldn't really have to worry about using a color remover because Beijing comes off on its own, okay? And really, guys, I am going to do this the same way I do the Beijing. Now, because, I'm around the house, I'm doing things, and even if I want to go outside, I will put a satin bonnet on, guys, and I will go outside with this on my head, especially if you're going to the store, whatever. So this is what my hair looks like, guys. Damn! But I want you to pay attention to this. This is embarrassing coming on here like this, but pay attention to this, guys. Look around the front of my head. You see gray, and you see a little bit of blonde, right? You see that? Just by messing with Beijing, that's how I know that I can make my transition without having to strip color off my hair. So, I want you guys to leave in the comments section, how your aloe vera and water is working out for you guys. And I have so many videos coming you guys' way on what will help your hair naturally, naturally. Because I do not want y'all to turn out like me, being a product junkie. Especially when you can do it naturally. So we have already shaken this up. And I'm just going to apply it, guys. Let me stay in the focus. I'm just going to apply this. You don't have to do any. And as you see, guys, this is dry hair. If you want to wash your hair, you can. You don't need to. And yes, you can apply it to clean or dirty hair. But if you want the best, results, I would say, make sure it's clean hair. And this hair is clean because only thing I did was clean it. I cleansed my hair a couple of days ago. And I just been doing my treatment on it, letting it breathe, let it, relax. Guys, do you know that sometimes you can overstyle your hair, put all that tension on your hair, unnecessary tension and stuff, So I have told you guys about my turn down days. On my turn down days, I get a lot done. I take care of my hair, I take care of my skin, my nails, my body, all of that. And today, guys, I'm gonna tell you, because this is one of my turn down days, my intention is to put this on my hair and put my hair right back up until it's time to wash it out. Yeah. I mean, what is the rush? Where is the fire? Where's the fire, guys? Now see, with this, it look like, see, Beijing will just come off from around your hairline. With this, guys, I don't know with this. I know I can get it off. Okay, don't seem bad. Let me get Sally Sue here, so I will be able to put it on the back. You guys constantly ask me about that mirror. I have made 2 videos for you guys on how to make that mirror. So this is toilet tissue, guys. You can do this with toilet tissue or neck strip, but I am going to do toilet tissue because I'm just making it so that this will not run down my face, my head, because I am going to have this on all day. Ignore my dog. He can't stand me talking to anyone. You hear him? So we have this on. All right, we have this on. This is going to keep that rinse from running down our face and head and all of that. So we ain't got to worry about that. And then, guys, from here you can put on your satin bonnet. You can do anything. Just for an example, guys, I'm just going to throw on this scarf.
Bear with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat, don't gotta hurry and I need love.
So now because my hair is done and it's all set up, I am just going to go about my business today. So I still have both caps on, my scarf and everything. I got my hat on. And guys, I'm telling you, I am going to leave this on for as long as I can. Finish doing all the other things that I have to do. So we're going to see how that adore turns out. All right, guys, well, I am back. I have been all out at the stores, all outside doing what I needed to do. And now I'm just letting y'all see that I'm about to rinse it out. My hair, I did not sit under the dryer. Okay, guys, I did not sit under the dryer. I went and did my runs like I told you guys. My hair did heat up underneath that, which is a good thing. So what I'm going to do is, I am just going to rinse this off. That's our little barrier. Nothing, ran. So what I'm going to do is rinse it off, then I'll come back. Now I'm going to tell y'all right off the bat. Look at that. The further I move back, the more you can see that my hand is literally like blue. It's darker than what the camera is showing up. My nails is all messed up. I don't like that. I don't know if this is going to stain me. And if it does, I do know how to get it off, so that ain't no big thing. The other thing that I really don't like about it is that the secondary color in this is blue. Have you ever seen someone with a black hair dye? basically old ladies. And then when you look up, their hair is either green or blue. That's the secondary color in that rinse. Usually I would offset it with like a burgundy or something and put a little bit in there, but I didn't have any of that. But just by me rinsing off my hair, those are the two things I'm seeing. That is stained. It stained my hand, it stained my nails, guys. And all around here, you know, it's like in there. So to try to make this last longer, because I am going to come back and tell you guys in another video, you know, if I like this Adore or am I going back to my Beijing. 9 times out of 10, I'm going back to my Beijing. And guys, it did this and I didn't even sit under a dryer. This is still the t-shirt. Remember I told you guys it's better to dry your hair with a t-shirt. So this is a t-shirt, but guys, I have been also using this like fiber mat, you know, fiber cloth hand mat, and it dries your hair really nice. It's not gonna cause any damage to your hair. I didn't want to mess that up how I've been messing up this t-shirt, so I went on. All right, guys, I am going to give you a spin. I would like to use a leave-in, you know, spray conditioner on my hair, but I don't have any. All right, guys, well, I do not have any leave-in conditioner. I would love to spray my hair since I just colored it with leave-in conditioner. Because remember what I told you, every time you wash your hair and things like that, the color is going to come out. So to make my conditioner last, I usually put in a leave-in conditioner. So since I don't have that, I have to go to the store and get that. I am going to use the Cantu sulfate-free, you know, shea butter cream conditioner. And it's for natural hair, you know, and it helps prevent hair breakage. So that's a good thing. But like I was saying, because I wear my hair curly, guys, and I'm always putting something, you know, creamy in my hair, that's going to help my, that's going to make my color leave faster as well.
Ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat.
I'm definitely going to just leave it thick around my hairline where this stuff is just, oh my goodness. Okay, so we're going to see what happens after 5 or 10 minutes of that being on the stained hairline. But I'm telling you guys, my hand is blue. So I'll be back. While I'm gone, hit that comment, like, subscribe, and share button. You know, also hit the notification button, guys. Let's just let this sit. All right, it's been in my hair like 7 minutes. It's been in there for 7 minutes. And let me show you something. Let's see this together, guys. If it's gonna come off from around my hairline. Just a little bit. That's why I'm like, okay. I know with all the creams that I use in my hair, that this will fade, you know, and come off. So I'm about to rinse it out, guys. All right, so the rinse is out. I just rinsed it out. So now what I am going to do, man, I don't know. I'm just going to style it, guys. I haven't made up my mind with what I'm going to style it with. It ain't coming off on the mitt. So y'all already know what this is. Y'all already know what this is. And this is going to go on my hair day and night. In the morning, I spritz my hair. And in the evening, I spritz my hair. Okay? Because now we are replacing the moisture that we just took out of our hair. Okay? We're just replacing the moisture. We are at the end of the video, guys, and I am styling my hair. I have to go get me some leave-in spray conditioner. Well, not really. It's no rush for that because we have this. we have this, so it's no rush for that. But I am going to get me some. Yeah. So I'm just going to stand here and finish styling my hair, guys. I'm just going to sit here and finish styling. But this is how it's turning out. This is how it's turning out, guys. Look at that. This is how it's turning out. The color did come off from around here, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. And that is it, guys. I'm just going to stand here and just, style my hair and everything. So thanks for coming by, spending this time with me, guys. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and be kind to one another. I'm going to see you in the next video. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. It's doing this thing. It's doing this thing, guys. It is doing this thing. Let me know if y'all want to know what I use. Maybe I'll bring that to you in the next video. All right, guys.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.